What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I have the two saws in front of me finally. The battery powered K1PACE, and we have the gas powered K770, and we're going to kind of compare them just a little bit. The K770 is a very popular saw in the concrete world. It's kind of new to the concrete world. Just kind of want to give you an overall look of the K1PACE and kind of let you know what I think about it and what I think the best use for it for. Battery powered Husky K1PACE, and I have the gas powered K770. We only have it here to kind of compare the cutting comparison and the kind of weight. For us, the weight, they're really about the same with the battery in them. It's really not a big difference, but the battery powered saw is heavy. You come over here and you push this button right here that pulls the battery out. Battery weighs probably about maybe 15, 20 pounds. I would have to guess, which is a pretty heavy battery. And then you just got your slots right here. You're just gonna take it and just slide it like that. This right here should kind of gives you an overview of how charged your battery is. This right here is your on and your off switch right here. When you activate the saw, this right here is still your standard. So you see it, still your standard water valve outlet. Supply water to the saw. Right here is your dial to turn your water outlet on. You still got your wrench on top. This is your battery pack for the K1PACE. Now it does not come with this. It's separate, so you had to purchase the battery and the charger separate. You purchasing the saw. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think the saw was right at about 900 something bucks. If I'm not mistaken, I'm not really sure on the battery pack and the battery, but when I looked it up, I saw that the saw was right at about close to right at 1,000 bucks. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a couple cuts, do the comparison to kind of see what you guys think about it and what I think about it. So let's go to a block that I have over here and we'll make a couple cuts. That was your gas power saw. Familiar with the gas powered chop saws, so you kind of know how it does. So we're going to take the blade off of this one and try it on the battery power saw and see how it does. All right, now we got the battery powered K1PACE hooked up. We're going to make a couple cuts with it, see how it does. Hit your bell right here. So the light comes on, now you act. Pretty good. Did actually better than what I thought. So I'm gonna take you back, just kind of give you what my overview of both of them are. So making a couple cuts with both of the saws, I gotta say that, you know, the battery powered K1PACE actually does a pretty good job. I want to give you the correct name of it. It's a B750X. It's the actual model name of it, but they call it the K1PACE. But like I said, it does a pretty good job. Now, for as power, I still had to go with the gas power saw. It has a tad bit more power when it comes through those blocks, but the K1PACE, the B750X, it did not miss. It does a pretty good job as well. But what I would have to say, to be honest, if you have to cut in an environment, which means like commercial inside a building, where you're not able to have the fumes and you have regulations for gas fumes getting to the location where you're going to cut it, the battery powered Husky is one of the I think is the way you want to go. Husky do make a cord powered saw as well. You can just hook a stitch cord to it, but if you can afford this one here without the cord and get the battery powered, opt out to get the battery powered, I think you won't be disappointed. But the guys that's outside and just like that power, stick with your gas power. But it never hurts to have this. I think it's low maintenance. Besides, keeping the batteries charged on it, I would probably get me 2 batteries. Just depends on how much you cut with. If you cut with a lot, probably opt out to get me 2 batteries. But if you just cut with it here and there, 1 battery should be fine. But overall, guys, I think it's a pretty good saw. I think that it's worth what they're asking for it, and it's pretty strong. It does I think it would do just as well as the gas power saw, and I think it would do just as good as justice as the gas power saw. So I don't see where you'll go wrong by purchasing this saw. So other than that, guys, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you leave good feedback. Hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.